Super fast and super easy, I'm going to show you why don't you can download WhatsApp Messenger. What happens is that your Play Store may be update. So what you should do is go to the Play Store application and menu. You can see the icon in upper right. Select and settings. In settings, select about and update Play Store. Google Play Store is up to date. Get it? And is go back to the home of your cell phone. You are going to search icon of Play Store, this, and press in, and you are going to go where it says application information. Then you are going to clear the cache here in mobile, in storage, clear cache, and this is all. Thank you for watching this video, and it will be ready to download your WhatsApp Messenger or WhatsApp Business. And I hope you have resolved your problem.